Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new capacitance pulse joystick. We will see how to play and how to work with it and all the settings that this joystick have. So let's go ahead see what we got. So let's begin immediately with unboxing. You can see the box is very small and simple. We have the picture of the joystick itself, two buttons, and we have in the back in Chinese all the settings that we'll see in English, how to use them and what they are used to. So this joystick has three different modes. It has to shoot once or more, and we will see later how they work. So you can see in the package itself we have the user manual, mode exchange. You can see we have first gear, second gear and third gear, and with third gear it's continuous shooting. With first gear is just one shooting per time. Next we have one micro USB charger in the box, and we have the joystick itself, two buttons you can see with blue colors, and we have the changing mode here. With this button we can change the shooting method. Here it will charge, and at the top we have one LED light to see what mode you're in. So you can see right now I am playing PUBG Mobile. You can see you can shoot without any problem. As soon as you press the button it will shoot. So it really works pretty good and it's very effective, and it's very easy to play with this joystick. You can see the zoom, it doesn't work sometimes. I don't know if it's only my phone, but I noticed that while I was playing I had to adjust a couple of times so it works properly. But again, you can see now it works perfect. We can shoot and we can zoom in or zoom out in the game. So this is how to play it. As you can see we have, as I said, three methods to change. It depends what type of weapon you are using in this game, and you play it like that. I usually keep it at the third gear, so you just press it and it keeps shooting. With the first gear you have to press for each bullet to shoot. With second gear you have to press once, it will shoot two bullets, and third gear, as we said, it will shoot continuously. So the third gear is again the most used one and the most that you use in this game. You need that gear to shoot continuously. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.